Have you noticed how your dog looks at you when they are doing their toilet? Many people laugh, some feel shy, but this is not a strange habit. This is old instinct. When a dog relieves itself, its body is open, unguarded, vulnerable. In the old days, in the forests and mountains, this was the moment danger could come. That memory lives inside them still. So they look at you, not because they are confused, not because they are embarrassed. They are asking, are you here with me? Am I safe? In our culture, we say the eyes speak when the mouth cannot. Your dog's eyes are saying, you are my family. Please watch over me. When you stand calmly, when you breathe softly, when you offer a quiet word, you are telling them, yes, this place is safe. Eye contact keeps them steady. It keeps their heart calm. You are their anchor. So that look you receive is not awkward. It is trust. It is love. It is the bond between protector and protected. Next time your dog looks at you in that moment, do not rush them. That is all they need. If this wisdom helped you understand your dog a little better, comment pause and follow me for more simple teachings about dogs passed down with patience and care.